Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Crf150R Supermoto build. On the last episode I went through installing the harness, the carb, and the radiators on the bike. On this video we're going to be looking at the rear brake, the wheels, and some of the controls up at the front. I'd say this rear brake could definitely use a shine up, and well, there's plenty of meat left on these pads. I do have a new set, so just toss that on there while I'm in there. This pin we definitely need to clean up. It's just got a lot of corrosion. There we go. This could definitely use a polish up. Throw that on the cleaning wheel in a sec. Got a non-existent caliper guard here. I mean, these aren't horrible, but I can't stand rust on the bike. No rust. Let's see what we can do with this on the cleaning wheel. Really should order another one of these. Actually came out pretty decent. Let's see what it can do for our brake pedal here. I do have to watch out, there's a little rubber seal in here, and I'm afraid that if I take it out, I'm going to tear it. Oh, never mind. Alright, we'll just pop that back in there afterwards. Yeah, so let's see what we can do with this. I'd say this came out pretty well for a quick pass as well. I think that's probably as good as we're going to get for right now. I'll rebuild the entire thing at some point. And I say some point, that day will probably never come, but I really need to get a parts cleaner. That's ready to go back on once we get some pads. I need to replace this rear sprocket. We're going to go with a 41 tooth, so the gearing that I run makes sense, especially for horse teeth model coming up here. Nice and rusty. Really hoping none of these snap. Got some trusty thread locker here. Those aren't going anywhere. So I actually got a new axle and it came in time, but I'm still waiting on the nut. And the old nut that I have, the threads are pretty boogered up, so I'm going to use the old axle and nut for now and swap it back out when this new nut comes in. Are you kidding me? Got a nice clean axle blocks here. No longer red. Slide these in here. brand new rotor from 73 Moto Parts. And right now we're just going to put one bolt in. The way that the big brake kit is set up, it's kind of a pain to slide on. So starting with just one loose bolt in here is kind of the way to go. That way you can move things around, because we're actually going to slide the caliper on afterwards, and we need that space to get it on. Quite a bit of grease squeezed out that time. Come on, you. There we go. Yeah, something like that. So let's fix this in this position. I got some Pro Taper pillow tops to go on these bars, and the only thing I gotta do is cut off the ends so we got our hand guards so we can fit on there. Just have a little soapy water in there to help them slide on. Get one. There you go. Like a glove. Oh, I forgot to take the end of the pro taper bars off. Come on. There we go. I think I'm going to end on this lovely little misstep here. Thanks for hanging out with me in the garage. I'll see you on the next one.